In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a new slide easily in Google Slides. Whether you're giving a presentation for work, school, or any other purpose, knowing how to swiftly add slides can make your workflow much more efficient. We'll explore 3 simple methods to achieve this, so let's dive right in. The fastest way to add a new slide in Google Slides is by using a keyboard shortcut. If you're using a Windows machine, press Ctrl and M together. For Mac users, simply press CMD and M. This immediately adds a new slide with the default layout. It's a great way to quickly create a slide without disrupting your workflow, especially if you're taking notes during a meeting or class and need to keep up with the pace of the discussion. Moving on to our second method, you can add a new slide from the toolbar. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll notice a plus icon. Clicking this icon will add a new slide with the default layout. However, if you want to choose a specific layout, like a title slide or a 2-column format, click the drop-down arrow right next to the plus icon. This allows you to select from various pre-designed layouts tailored to different types of content. This method is especially useful when you have a specific structure in mind for your presentation and want to maintain a consistent look and feel throughout. The third method involves using the slide panel on the left side of the screen. This panel shows thumbnails of all the slides in your presentation. To add a new slide here, simply right-click at the location where you want the new slide to appear. Once you've right-clicked, choose the New Slide option from the menu that appears. This action inserts a new slide right below the one you've selected. This approach is beneficial when you're planning the flow of your presentation and need to visualize where each new slide will fit within your sequence. By now, you should feel comfortable using these 3 methods to add new slides in Google Slides, each of which offers its own unique advantages. Whether you prefer using shortcuts for their speed, the toolbar for flexible design options, or the slide panel for a visual approach to organizing your presentation, you can choose the method that best fits your workflow. We hope you find this guide useful and that it enhances your experience when working with Google Slides. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.